With 4 kids, 2 dogs that shed, and living out in the country, we bought one of these robot vacuums. This is the Roomba iRobot 960. It's a little bit more than 5 years old, so it's not new, and it is an absolute workhorse. We run it 2, 3, sometimes 4 times a day. I don't know why I wait so long to replace these brushes. Well, actually I do, because they're expensive. But recently we found a similar brand and of these brushes, and it's a lot cheaper to replace, and so now I feel like I can replace them more often. This is our second set of these. They are not quite as good as the original, but based on the price, these are totally worth it. You can see they look exactly the same. The endings are exactly the same. You've got the hexagonal and the square. All you got to do is pull the old ones out and then get the right one. This is the square. Slide it in. Goes in nicely. Then this is the hexagonal. Slide it in. It fits perfectly. Then close the hatch, flip it over, and you're back in business. These are great. Really, really, really great.